Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are diving into a truly legendary name in American muscle history, the Pontiac GTO. But this isn't just any GTO. What I have in front of me is the 2025 rebirth of the iconic 1966 Pontiac GTO, finished in a dazzling golden shade that immediately commands attention. This is a car that blends raw muscle heritage with modern engineering finesse, bringing the golden era of Detroit's muscle car scene into today's performance-driven world. The GTO, often called the Godfather of Muscle Cars, first hit the streets in the 1960s and instantly became a cultural icon. Now, nearly 6 decades later, Pontiac, under GM's Heritage Division, has revived this legend with a modern twist, paying homage to its roots while offering everything that today's driver demands in terms of technology, safety, and performance. Over the next 2,500 words, we're going to break down everything. The jaw-dropping design of the exterior, the attention to retro-modern details inside, the monster performance under the hood, and of course, what you can expect to pay if you're lucky enough to get one of these. By the end, you'll know whether the 2025 Pontiac GTO is simply a nostalgic trip back in time or if it's genuinely ready to battle modern muscle and performance cars head-on. So, buckle up, because this review is going to be one thrilling ride through past and present, wrapped up in golden steel. Exterior. Let's start where the GTO always made its boldest first impression, the exterior. When you look at this golden 2025 Pontiac GTO, you immediately know what it is. Pontiac has managed to recreate the soul of the 1966 model, with its stacked headlights, aggressive split grille, and long, muscular body lines, but it has modern refinement everywhere you look. From the front, the car's fascia pays tribute to the classic dual-stacked headlamp design, but instead of halogen bulbs, we now have ultra-bright LED matrix lighting. These lights give the car a modern bite while still evoking that unmistakable GTO identity. The grille has been updated too, it's sleeker, crafted from lightweight carbon fiber mesh with chrome outlines that shimmer against the golden bodywork. And sitting right in the middle is that iconic GTO badge, proudly letting everyone know this isn't just another muscle car, it's the muscle car. The hood is another standout feature. The designers paid close homage to the original 66 hood scoops, but instead of being purely cosmetic, these scoops are now fully functional, channeling cold air directly into the engine bay for performance gains. The sculpting of the hood lines also gives it a sharper, more athletic appearance. Walking around to the side, you really notice how the car carries its stance. It's lower and wider than the original, which gives it that planted, performance-ready look. The golden paint is stunning, metallic flakes sparkle under sunlight, making the car pop like liquid gold rolling down the street. The wheels deserve a special mention too. The 2025 GTO comes standard with 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, finished in black with polished golden accents that match the body. Behind them, you can see massive Brembo brakes with 6-piston calipers up front and 4-piston at the rear, painted in a matching metallic gold. This combination of classic muscle proportions and modern detailing really makes the car stand out in any crowd. At the rear, Pontiac once again kept the heritage alive with horizontal taillights that are heavily inspired by the 1966 model but now feature sleek LED strips for a futuristic look. The rear bumper has integrated quad exhaust tips, with a gloss black diffuser sitting between them, hinting at the car's serious performance credentials. And just above, the subtle rear lip spoiler blends seamlessly with the trunk lid, adding downforce without spoiling the retro lines. Overall, the exterior of the 2025 Pontiac GTO is a masterclass in blending nostalgia with innovation. It honors the muscle car's heritage while ensuring it competes visually with modern performance cars like the Dodge Challenger Hellcat, Ford Mustang GTD, and Chevy Camaro ZL1. Interior. Now let's step inside the golden beast. The 2025 GTO's interior is a perfect mix of retro styling cues and modern luxury technology. Pontiac clearly understood that fans of the GTO want authenticity, but at the same time, no one wants to feel like they're stuck in a 1960s time capsule when driving in 2025. When you open the door, you're greeted with leather upholstery in a black and gold theme, stitched with precision. The golden contrast stitching runs along the dashboard, door panels, and even the sport seats, which immediately makes the cabin feel connected to the car's striking exterior. Those seats, by the way, are heavily bolstered sport buckets, designed to keep you locked in during hard cornering while still providing the kind of comfort you need for long drives. The dashboard is where Pontiac really nailed the retro-modern balance. The classic dual-cowl design from the 1966 model is back, but now it's reimagined with digital displays seamlessly integrated. In front of the driver sits a fully customizable 12-inch digital gauge cluster, which can switch between classic analog-style dials to futuristic performance readouts, depending on your preference. In the middle of the dash, you'll find a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in navigation, and even voice-activated AI assistance. Despite the technology, Pontiac hasn't lost the tactile feeling. The air vents, for example, are circular chrome pieces that resemble the originals. The shifter is a short-throw manual lever for purists, but you can also opt for a modern 10-speed automatic with paddle shifters. Either way, the car delivers an engaging driving experience. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom design wrapped in Alcantara, with a small GTO badge sitting proudly in the middle. Buttons are neatly integrated, so it doesn't feel overly cluttered. Pontiac has even included a heritage mode that changes the interior's ambient lighting and digital gauge graphics to mimic the look of the 1960s, right down to the retro red backlighting. It's small details like this that elevate the entire experience. Practicality hasn't been overlooked either. While the GTO is primarily a two-door coupe, it still offers decent rear seats for passengers, and the trunk space is generous enough for weekend road trips. The premium sound system is supplied by Bose with 12 speakers strategically placed around the cabin, although let's be honest, the real music here comes from the exhaust note. All in all, the interior captures the best of both worlds. It's luxurious, packed with modern features, and yet unmistakably pays tribute to its 1966 ancestor. Performance. Now let's talk about the part everyone has been waiting for, the performance. After all, the Pontiac GTO didn't become a legend by looking good, it earned its stripes by dominating the streets with sheer power. For the 2025 rebirth, Pontiac offers the GTO with two engine options. The base engine is a naturally aspirated 6.4-liter V8 pushing out around 500 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. But the model we're reviewing here, the top-tier GTO Judge Edition, comes with a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 producing a jaw-dropping 720 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. That's right, this modern GTO doesn't just honor the past, it stomps into the modern muscle car wars ready to throw punches. With the optional 10-speed automatic transmission, the GTO can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Top speed? An electronically limited 200 miles per hour. The manual version is slightly slower but delivers an unmatched purist driving thrill. But this isn't just about straight-line speed. Pontiac has equipped the GTO with magnetic ride adaptive suspension, giving it the ability to switch between comfortable cruising and aggressive track handling with the push of a button. The chassis has been stiffened, the steering is sharp and precise, and the braking power from those Brembos is confidence-inspiring. Whether you're tearing down a drag strip, carving up mountain roads, or just cruising through town, the GTO feels balanced, responsive, and alive. The exhaust note is worth mentioning too. Pontiac engineered an active exhaust system that can roar like a thunderstorm in sport and track modes, but quiets down in comfort mode for city driving. It's the kind of sound that turns heads everywhere you go and reminds you of why muscle cars captured hearts in the first place. Fuel economy. Well, let's be honest, nobody buys a GTO for fuel efficiency. But thanks to cylinder deactivation technology and modern tuning, it manages around 17 miles per gallon city and 25 miles per gallon highway, which is surprisingly reasonable for a 700-plus horsepower muscle coupe. Overall, the performance of the 2025 Pontiac GTO is nothing short of exhilarating. It's a proper muscle car that doesn't just rely on nostalgia but genuinely competes in today's high-performance market. Prices. Now, let's talk money, because you're probably wondering how much it costs to bring this golden piece of history into your garage. Pontiac knows the GTO is an icon, so they've priced it accordingly, but the good news is that it's still more attainable than some European performance cars with similar specs. The base model 2025 GTO with the naturally aspirated 6.4-liter V8 starts at around $58,000. That puts it right in the ballpark of a Dodge Challenger R/T-Scat Pack or a Mustang Mach-1, making it a very competitive offering. Step up to the higher trim supercharged GTO Judge Edition, like the one we're reviewing, and you're looking at a starting price of about $82,000. Fully loaded with premium options, carbon fiber packages, and custom paint jobs like this golden finish, the price can climb to around $95,000. While that may sound like a lot, when you compare it to European cars like the BMW M4 Competition or the Mercedes-AMG C63, both of which cost well into six figures with less horsepower, the GTO starts looking like a relative bargain. Plus, you're buying more than just performance numbers, you're buying heritage, history, and one of the most iconic names in American car culture. Resale value is also expected to be strong. Since Pontiac has limited the production run of the 2025 GTO, collectors are already circling. This means that if you get your hands on one, it's not only a thrilling car to drive but also a potential investment piece. So, what do we make of the 2025 Pontiac GTO in this stunning golden color? Honestly, it's the perfect fusion of past and present. The exterior design captures everything we loved about the original 1966 model but sharpens it up for the modern age. The interior gives you retro vibes without sacrificing modern comfort and technology. The performance is blistering, capable of going head-to-head with the best muscle cars and even many European sports cars. And the pricing, while premium, still positions it as a relative bargain in today's market. The 1966 Pontiac GTO lit the spark that created the muscle car era. The 2025 revival doesn't just relight that spark, it turns it into a blazing fire that proves muscle cars are far from dead. This golden beast isn't just a car, it's a statement, a rolling reminder of American car culture at its finest. If you're a muscle car fan, this car will make your heart race. If you're a collector, it's a must-have. And if you just love driving something that makes you feel alive every time you turn the key, the 2025 Pontiac GTO might just be your dream car.